I had been in banking for 15 years, but I did not feel rewarded with what I was doing, so dental had always been, an interest of mine. I'm older, I have children, I need to keep an income in the house, of course. So finding this program, thinking, oh, I can do it in 3 months, get on with my career, was very appealing to me. Here at Radiance, it's not pressure. You do not feel pressured in any way, but you do have to work hard. The instructors here are very knowledgeable. They are actually assistants themselves. They know what is needed, what is required of you to do your job. They're letting you know what is actually needed out in the field. They take you into lab settings where you actually get hands-on. You take radiographs hands-on. You get to pour up models. I would recommend Radiance because they are going to give you the tools, they're going to give you the skills that you need when you go out searching for your career. My name is Kelly, and I went through Radiance Dental Academy back in 2009.